Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by checking compatibility. Some Samsungs require USB OTG, while others accept USB-C readers directly. Insert the micro SD into the reader. Once done, plug the reader into the phone gently so contacts align. You may power cycle the phone if the reader isn't recognized immediately, because a restart forces the system to rescan attached devices. Make sure adapters are fully seated. Loose connections cause intermittent detection. This step gets the device physically connected and ready for software recognition. Once connected, unlock the phone and look for a storage notification. Tap it to select File Transfer or Media Transfer mode. Open My Files or Settings, then Storage to see the SD card listed. You may need to tap Mount or Enable. If you plan to use the card for apps or media, grant storage permissions when prompted so apps can read and write. Remember, format only if absolutely necessary because formatting erases data. Safe eject before unplugging to avoid corruption. You finish by transferring files. Copy or move media and documents using My Files and confirm transfers complete before unplugging. If the card isn't readable, try a different reader, reseat the card, reboot the phone, or test the card on a PC to isolate hardware issues. Also, make sure OTG is enabled. Some models hide it in developer options, so enable that if the reader remains undetected. If problems persist, format on a PC after backing up to recover a corrupted card.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.